In this video, I will show you how to create a sequence in Apollo.io. So this is pretty simple, just open up Apollo and in the left menu under Engage, click on Sequences. Now here you have the sequences you've already built, but if you go Create Sequence, you have 4 options. You can do an AI assisted build, where basically their AI helps you build out your sequence. You can start with a template from scratch, or you can clone an existing one. Now, for example, if you pick a template, you can see the different templates they have right here. Stuff like at-risk customers, change in leadership. You can also filter by the type of template, such as stage-based targeting, industry-based targeting, etc. Now, for example, what I'll do is create an AI-assisted sequence. So when you do that, it will ask some questions about what exactly you want to build. So right here, they will ask for your company or product name, your customer pain points, your value proposition, call to action, and you can add some additional context. Then when you click generate new sequence, it's going to create the sequence for you with all of the copy, the steps, etc. This one only has email, so if I click save sequence right here, and then open up my sequence, I can click on these steps, and then here I can see the steps. So this one has 3 email steps. What I can do is click add a step, and select another option right here. So you can do an automatic or manual email, you can do a phone call, another action item, whatever that may be, a LinkedIn connection request, a message, view a profile, or interact with a post. Now, for example, if I do LinkedIn view profile, I can drag it, for example, as the second step. Then now it's set to after 3 days, meaning that this one sends immediately. 3 days later, I view their profile. Now, if I also set that to, let's say, immediately, and I click save, then both of these happen immediately. Now, make sure it's set to active right here and just customize all of the copy and stuff that you want to customize. Now, if you go to a certain step right here, you can customize it by just typing right here. You can also use AI to optimize it, and if you want to include sections such as first name, you can use the variables right here, so dynamic variables. Then the variables you have is around name, title, education, and a bunch more stuff. So for example, you can do hi, and then add in a first name field right here. So then it will say hi, and if their first name is John, it will then say John. So that's basically how you can create a sequence. When you're done, click save changes, and then click confirm. Then activate the sequence, and now you can add context to it by clicking on add context. You can use the searcher, which is Apollo's database. You can upload a CSV file, select an existing list, or automate adding context with Outbound Copilot, whichever one you want to do. Now, if you go back to the overview, you will then find it right here. Make sure it is active if you want it to start working. So now you know how to create a sequence in Apollo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.